talk about your new business. So why don't we go ahead and get started? Could you tell us what is it that you do? How did you get started?
Our new business called Smoothie is a Japanese adaptation of the word smoothie, because Japanese they always make everything sound good. Yes, as funny as it sounds, they make everything sounds hip.
Yeah.
Like, we provide all kind of healthy desserts. It's not like our smoothies are not just powdered artificial flavor. It's real fruits.
I guess express entree menu are udon noodle soup.
What are udon noodles?
Udon noodles.
For someone who's not familiar with udon noodles, what
Let me
exactly
tell
are
you,
they?
udon noodle is very popular in Japan. People going crazy with it, and we also in our trade name we use a Japanese adaptation to be used as a trade name.
Inspired to bring in the Japanese theme, the Japanese food, and in the design of the shop itself. Now, I really like that word, inspiration. So could you talk about how where that inspiration came from, and how does that fit in with your passion for entrepreneurship, with opening up a shop like this? You mixing Vietnamese food, Vietnamese culture, blending that in with Japanese culture.
Yes, I do get a lot of inspiration. I think Japanese in their design is very clean and beautiful.
Sometimes it can be unpredictable. Surprises. There's a lot of surprises, but I think it's fun, and it's beginning to become kind of like my passion, just to be creative. To start your own business means you have to be creative, and we're both very artistic, and we love being creative. So I think it's just become, there's a lot to learn, but it's become like a new passion of mine to do this.
It's a rewarding experience.
It's rewarding, and I love reaching out to people. I love seeing all kinds of people come into our store, and I'm a social person. I'm very social, so I love being around people, and I think doing business is you're surrounded by people all the time.